How to export data on Google Drive? Visit your Google Drive on web, move to My Drive section, now create a folder by any name. Open the created folder and copy the URL from the address bar. Go back to your tool, navigate to the Profile section, and paste the copied URL into Drive Export URL field, fill out the required details, and save. Now try to export data. If you're seeing the displayed error during exporting, it may be because you haven't set up exporting email address. To fix this, simply click on How to Export. Now copy the displayed email address and move to your Google Drive. Simply click on Share button and share folder with the copied email address. Make sure you give this email editor access, and click on Send button. Now try exporting your data again. This time, your data will be successfully exported to your Google Drive. You can check it by opening the folder you created. Thank you for watching.